Hey guys, we're at SUPERCARS Saturday here, and we're gonna be doing interviews. Get a hold of everything. Get a hold of it. You're getting everything right. Maybe come a little closer and walk. Make sure you get a hold of everything. Get a hold of everything. So guys, we're here with
Z.
And then, how's your day going today?
It's going great. Best day of my life. How's your day going?
My day is pretty good. Do you own any of the cars here?
Yes, I do.
What car would that be?
The red SVJ.
Oh! Oh, red SVJ. So, do you have any assets?
Yeah, I think so. That's what the girls tell me.
Do you have a lot of passive income?
Oh yeah, I do.
And what would that passive income be, if you don't mind me asking?
I mean, so I don't like share.
How important is passive income?
I would say you need to have at least your expenses paid from passive income. If you can aspire to that, aspire to that. Like just your day-to-day, like your rent or your mortgage, your car note, that needs to come out of passive income. If you can figure that out.
And another thing, how important is financial literacy?
Super important. They don't really teach that.
They don't.
In school, you know? It comes from making mistakes early in your life, I think. So start doing something business related that you want to do. Whatever it is, start that journey. That way you can start making the mistakes you need to make to gain that financial literacy that you'll get.
So like for me, I'm 18 right now and I'm thinking about doing real estate.
Yeah.
Do you think I should do it now because I'm young?
So I'm gonna be real with you. Like a lot of people put out real estate as like that's money.
Yeah.
But that's usually money after you've made money. That's how you manage that money. You know what I'm saying? So start from nothing is always going to be a very competitive thing because there's a very low barrier of entry.
Yeah.
So anything that you're going to start from nothing with, you're going to grind. So real estate is, I would say, it's quite tough. I would say you should focus on something that's passionate to you. You can do it on the side.
Yeah.
And just start generating money off of it as fast as you can. Most people like they build the whole house first. Make your first dollar first, because as soon as you make that money, you're gonna feel that blood like a shark, and you're gonna want more and more, and that's what kind of grows you. And you make mistakes, you partner with the wrong people, all that kind of stuff. But eventually, then you can do real estate the right way.
Yeah.
You know, because if there's a low barrier of entry, you don't really want to.
You don't want to risk it. Like, just play it.
I mean, you can't. You're risking time, so you want to take your time and put it in the best place possible. And why not put it in a place that's more passionate to you, rather than where you think you're gonna make money off the cuff? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So do you think that I should go to college?
Yes.
Or do you think that, oh, okay. So you think college is an important thing for people to have?
I think it is. I think so. A lot of people go, well, if they dropped out, they didn't need it, right? I didn't need my degree. I have a degree in political science. I thought I was gonna be a lawyer. I didn't end up needing my degree, but there's a sense of self-worth that you get out of accomplishing that. You know, so you do. I think you should. If you got nothing else going on, let's say you got something going on that you're making tons of money off of, fine, right? But if you got nothing else going on, do your business thoughts on the side, do school. You have to do school.
So how do you feel about sales and marketing? Do you think those are important things that you should learn? Like important skills that you should learn? Sales
is one of the most important traits you can have as a entrepreneur. And honest to God, even in an interview, you're selling yourself.
Yeah.
You know, so your sales is something you got to learn. And if you have anxiety with it, you got to push through it. I have a lot of anxiety with sales, but you got to push through it and keep pushing through it because it really matters. Your interaction. And at your guys' age, that's the time where you got to like program your mind to be able to sell. You know?
Yeah. So do you think fear,
reputation, like things like that.
Do you think fear is a big factor on why people won't do sales or marketing?
Fear is a big factor why people don't cross to the next level in their lives.
They won't take risks.
Yeah, so I mean, taking risks blindly is one thing. Like, taking a risk for the sake of taking a risk is not gonna grant you any fruit.
Yeah.
But on the same side, if you calculate and you never execute, that's, I would say, worse. I have a lot of friends like that like, want to do this, want to do that, want to do this. They have this business plan, but they don't actually do it.
Yeah.
Those people, they hit you up later when you got the car and you got this, and they're like, oh, what can I do with you? I'm like, well, now you can't do anything. You know?
Well, nice meeting you. My name is Jameer.
Hey, thank you.
What's your name again?
PC.
Thank you. what brings you here today?
I guess we're part of the car culture.
And what car do you
What is your name?
My name is Jameer, sir.
It's a pleasure meeting you, sir. You didn't say that. You have to
Yeah.
say what your name is, what the purpose in life is, and what we do this interview for.
We're doing this interview to ask people how their day is, what's the beautiful part of your day, and what brings you to Supercar Saturday.
You know, I like the fact that you have the Jesus Christ cross on you, holding your microphone. That tells me a lot about you. Not that people are portraying inspiration by what they display, but I've been in the car culture for over 40 years, right? And it's part of my family legacy. It's part of what we do. It's part of what we love and enjoy. And you know, the fact is that you got to be in life happy, healthy, but especially do exactly what you love to do, and then you can enjoy your benefits.
Of course. And for you.
Ooh, that's music to my ears.
Beautiful. 812 has a V12 in it. V12 in this.
700 horsepower. Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that.
And for this car, who owns this car?
That's one of my cars.
Oh man. And how did you get here?
I started with a Toyota Tercel back in 1989. A little Toyota Tercel, and I was just a student. I'm a dentist, and I have multiple online companies, and I have, you know, a line of products that we sell online, and that's just after 40 years of hard work, you begin to see the benefits of life.
Yes, yes.
Some people take it in 10 years, some people have 5 years, but this has been my journey, and I have to say thank you, Lord, because if I were to be, again, the same man, I would do exactly what I'm doing today, just a little smarter.
So, what is your thoughts on passive income? Do you think it plays a big role in affording all of these cars? Or
Passive income is something that people don't understand. They think that it's just putting money away. It's when your hard work begins to give you dividends, to give you back the ability to enjoy life. Unique, and then inspect that out myself, modify it, enjoy it for a while, and then there's always somebody love your car, and for the right price, the car goes with the profit. So,
of course,
you know,
of course.
I mean, there's people that do art collection, there's people that do real estate. We are in everything: real estate, art collection, automobile industry, everything. You gotta do what you love.
So, what is your thoughts on assets? Do you think assets are important? Do you think people should try to grow their assets?
How's your health for you?
My health is pretty good. You know, I try to keep it up, ride my bike, eat healthy.
All right, so
fit.
my priority is my health,
course.
my spiritual connection to God, and then my assets are part of building a healthy portfolio so that I can enjoy and leave a legacy for my family.
Of course.
I see the assets as part of not just an inheritance that you're gonna leave behind, but also purposes, right? And if your assets are giving you passive income, great. And if you're not at the level that you are able to afford passive income products or real estate or whatever you want to call it, then you need to figure out who's gonna be your coach that's gonna mentor you to get to any level that you so aspire to be. Coaches are important in life, but you know, the guy up there, it's the king of everything.
Number one coach.
That's, yeah.
Number one.
It's everything.
So, how do you find a mentor or a coach or somebody that would be willing to help you?
Look, the fact is that most people need to find who they are for themselves, and some people take years. Some people never find themselves. Some people are never satisfied who was their paternal figure. Some people are born without a father. You know, there's so many questions that you have to ask yourself. In the road of life, you need to, literally speaking, write your desires, put a map road into why, if I'm gonna do this in 10 years, can I do this in 5 or in a year? And you gotta work hard, don't sleep, eat properly. I mean, eat healthier. Don't eat healthy, eat healthier every day. And then make sure that you're surrounding yourself with a circle of people that have a like mind. If you have somebody that is, you know, unfortunately not willing to go through the academic education that is painful, and then having to understand the purposes of long-term passive income or the longer-term music to the ears, right?
Yeah.
Stay focused. Don't get distractions. Noises like this are the distraction of the youth. They think that by having something like that is giving you life, that may be a broken lifestyle, you know?
Yeah.
So keep in mind that if you have a circle of people that have the mindset that you go to the church together, that you work out together, that you look into the benefit of each other, and you guys are pushing to level up. By leveling up means your circle is doing as good or better than you. And that's how you find a coach, in a circle, not just a person. Because a person could be subjected to a lot of individuality, and you don't know the person's core values, you don't know the person that you're selecting as a coach, how much pain they have undergone that you're not willing to undergo.
Yeah.
And never mind who supported that person in the past.
Yeah.
Be yourself, love your family, stay close to your parents, stay close to your circles, and make sure that you're enhancing your life by academics. Nothing replaces academics and sustainable patience.
So, grow your financial literacy.
grow your spirituality. That's the only one you take with you when you're gone.
Of course.
Then you grow your education and your mental health. Then you grow your physical health. Financial health comes with tolerances to changes, right? Resistance to distractions like this, and staying focused that one day it will be your time to look back and say, we did it.
Of course. Well, nice meeting you again.
It's a pleasure, son.
Jameer.
I don't think I was wrong.
No, he might launch it. It just got so quiet. Because I was hoping that.
Yo, Super do all of that? Can these people get out my shots?
Hey, hey, hey! Hold on, you better. You heard that? That's how you do it, guys. We're gonna end the video here. Anybody that joined my interview today, wait, well, I'm on the phone, hold on. Anybody that joined my interview, oh, I have a mic right here. Sorry. Anybody that joined my interview today, I'd like to appreciate all of you guys. You know, I'll leave your @s and whatever in the description or the bio or whatever. Thank you guys again for tuning in with Networking with Mir or MM Productions. We'll be back on the next time in the next car meet and with more people or the same people. Remember, try to grow. The point of this channel is to grow our financial education and connections and networking with people. Hope you guys learned something today, and we're out.